Chavit, Mike Defensor, si Atty. Topacio, at papatanggal namin ng ulo ng korupsyon dito sa ating bansa. Panoorin nyo siya, andyan yung media at ngayon ay magpa-file kami ng impeachment laban kay BBM. Yeah, buddy!
Yung complaint, yung complaint. We have former congressmen as complainants also. Tatlong ko. Kaso po.
Bob, kasama po kayo sa complainant?
Oo.
Alright, nandito na kami sa loob ng Secretary General's Office ng House of Representatives. Sana tanggapin ang aming complaint dahil required siya ng rules ng House of Representatives na tanggapin ang complaint for impeachment laban sa Presidente ng Pilipinas. Yeah, buddy?
Yes,
Alright, ang ating
Kumpanyero
Head Counsel,
Tama.
Attorney Manny.
yeah.
At may kita ninyo sa inyong harap si Mike Defensor, si dating Congressman Paras, nasa ating likod si Atty. Topacio.
Dito rin si Cathy.
Cathy Binek, yeah, buddy. Alright. Alright, andito na tayo. Dapat nilang tanggapin ang ating complaint dahil required yan ng batas. Sana bumalik na si Sec dyan mula sa kanyang lunch. At kasama natin si Atty. Topacio dito sa likod yan ng ating tagapagtanggol.
Go, mauna ka, Go.
Ito si Gob Chavit, yeah, buddy.
Dito yan sa loob, please. Panyero,
Ayun.
ikaw
Pina-file na
yung
natin
baka mabasa yung ating complaint.
dito sa Secretary General's Office ang impeachment
Dito pa yung complaint.
na magtatanggal ng ulo ng korupsyon sa Pilipinas. Kasama ang mga bigating politiko ng ating bansa si Chavit, dating congressman na Mr. Paras, Atty. Ferdy Topacio, mga bigating general, Mike Defensor, yeah, buddy. Alright.
Ano? Diesel, pasin. Original.
At siguro ano ka? Oo nga.
And then, yung affidavits natin, and
Ito mo natin papakita. Ito mo lang hindi pag...
Yung dito na yung mga tao ron, puta nga, walang makita matira. Ulus project.
Hindi, mas madami ka pang hawa. Marami. Hindi, ito na yung mga copies. Ilang text to?
Go, ito yung ebidensya natin.
Kanina, naunang nag-file yung Makabayan Block ng kanilang impeachment complaint kaso nga lang hindi tinanggap dahil daw wala si Sec dyan dito. Pero sir, tapos na ang lunch break, bumalik ka na dito at tanggapin mo na ang aming complaint. Hindi mo pwedeng tanggihan ng complaint namin dahil ministerial duty mo yan. Wala kang discretion na mag-decline na tumanggap ng aming complaint. At kung wala ka man dito sa office at hindi ka pa tapos mag-lunch, dapat meron kang tauhan na papalit sa'yo na tumanggap. Hindi pwede. Dinidiskartehan mo kami.
Anong anis? Anis A muna. Teka.
Hi!
General Garcia, one of the lead counsels, Attorney Manny Luna, one of the complainants, Cathy. All right.
Tawagan mo agad importante sa ano.
Anis A yung endorsement. Anis B is the
Complainants as well, ma'am. Complainant. Yep, one of the complainants.
Samahan natin.
Yeah, buddy. All right.
sa plastic. Di ba? So, Anis A.
Mukhang tatanggapin ang complaint natin, ha? Tatanggapin kayang complaint natin. Hindi katulad ng ginawa nila sa Makabayan Block kaninang umaga. Na hindi nila tinanggap yung complaint dahil wala daw si Sec Jen. Tamang-tamang timing natin, sana tapos na ang kanyang lunch. at tatanggapin na nila ang ating complaint. Hindi pwedeng hindi tanggapin ang ating complaint dahil kapag hindi tinanggap ngayong araw na ito, ang gagawin nila ay i-forestall nila ang complaint na to at pagbibigyan nila, palusultin nila yung walang kwentang complaint na ipinasa earlier. Sabi ng Supreme Court, hindi nila pwedeng sabihin na merong prior complaint na ipinasa na para tanggihan ng aming complaint dahil ang complaint ay initiated lamang kapag na-refer na sa committee ang complaint. Hindi pa na-refer sa committee. Magko-convene pa lang ang Congress, House of Representatives sa Monday. At pwede pa nilang tanggapin ang aming complaint. At dapat nilang tanggapin ang aming complaint dahil kung hindi tinutupad ng Secretary General ang kanyang trabaho. Tulad ng hindi niya pagtupad kaninang umaga sa trabaho niya, sa pagtanggi ng pagtanggap niya ng complaint ng Makabayan Block. Yeah, buddy. Tignan natin kung balik na from lunch si Secretary General. Alright.
Kahit pati assist.
Okay.
Yung copy, tanggalin ng copy, mabasa yung papel. It's dangerous.
Ito yung pinaka-substantive na complaint na ipinasa so far dahil ito ang pinaghirapan ng mga bigating mga legal minds and politicians sa Pilipinas. Hindi katulad ng mga complaint na unang ipinasa na 4 pages lamang at halata lamang na ginawa para i-forestall yung mga substantive complaint na katulad nito.
This is a 44-page complaint
Yep, buddy.
with thousands of annexes.
Yep. Dahil kapag hindi nila pinalusot ito at ang pinalusot lang nila ay yung walang kwentang 4-page complaint, ibig sabihin, dinidiskartehan tayo ng mga loko-lokong ito.
In other words, alam na this.
Yeah. We have the best lawyers and best folks and politicians dito sa ating group. At hindi nila pwedeng tanggihan, katulad ng pagtanggi nila ng Makabayan Block complaints kaninang umaga. So Secretary General, finish your lunch and come and receive our complaint. Please. Ministerial duty po yan. Hindi po yan discretionary. Required po yan sa rules ng House of Representatives na tanggapin ang aming complaint.
Yes, sir.
On our side,
Hello everyone. Say hi sa ating 2,500 viewers live. Yeah, buddy! Alright. The historic complaint being filed dito sa Secretary General's office ng House of Representatives against sa ulo ng korupsyon ng Pilipinas.
Kasi dati, si Mikey, di ba nung pandemic, di ba? Oo. Nanulo tayo lagi sa walkie kasi umiikot tayo.
Ang labor mo, labor.
Oo, bilaan.
Ayun, try na, utilize this. Sige na.
Sure.
Dito ka.
Alright. Go ahead, boss.
Wait, before we start, and I do understand, could we have a moment lang na, wag muna tayo mag-record para...
Hindi pwede.
Right.
This is a public office.
Yeah. I just have to be...
Sige, Tony, go ahead.
Sir, pursuant to the people ahead of you, the Secretary General is not around, not authorized to receive.
It is the office of the Secretary General,
How about
not the
the deputy?
Secretary General.
where's the deputy? Deputy Secretary.
Sir, I'm the Executive Director. I am the next in line.
Yes.
So you should receive.
Receive.
You should receive.
In the case of Bautista impeachment, it's the deputy will receive.
Yes.
Respectfully. Okay, I'm not here to argue. I don't wish to.
Sa kakampi natin to.
Yes.
I am just relaying my position. I am not.
No, attorney, ano lang,
It's
category.
not an instruction. It is. I am not in a position to receive it.
But in the case of impeachment of former COMELEC Chairman Bautista, whom we impeached, it was the deputy
Yes.
who received our impeachment
The next in
complaint
line, the
in
next in line.
2017.
Yes, the next in line.
There is already a precedence in the House.
I would have to say
Please check the records.
I am not arguing. Sir.
Okay.
I am not arguing.
Thank you.
I am not even raising my voice. Sir.
Thank you.
I am just manifesting.
Okay.
I am not authorized to receive the document.
Attorney, may question.
Wow.
For the record.
Ako, sir, I'm just saying, I'm not here to, I'm not arguing, sir.
No, it's okay.
Wow. What's your...
Attorney, question lang. Can it be received ministerially lang? Kahit not you, but
Because it's
someone?
ministerial.
No, sir.
No one is allowed.
Again, the previous people have tried.
Okay.
I have nicely.
But why did you receive the first one?
No, I have not received it.
Hindi, bakit na? What is the legal basis?
Wala naman dito
No,
legal.
we're not
No,
arguing.
no, which one, sir?
Merong first impeachment complaint
Na nandun na sa office.
Kay Attorney Jesus.
Ay, she was here, sir.
Okay.
So, ibig mo sabihin, by the simple expedient of not being here, hindi kayo pwede mag-receive? Is that your stand?
Sir, I'm just saying.
I'm not authorized.
I'm not arguing, I'm asking you. I want an answer.
I'm just manifesting. I do not have the authority to receive.
Yeah, but Attorney,
What is your
even
basis?
the office ka na.
Yes, sir. If I cannot, and pababa din, wala din.
Wala din. Okay,
What is
okay
your
lang.
basis? As a lawyer, both lawyers, you have to tell me what your legal authority
Yeah, buddy.
is.
Sir, I'm just manifesting. And
Wow.
that's all.
Up to what level yung may authority sa office of the section?
Can you assure us na wala kayong gagawin to block our filing when we return on Monday? Like
Pag nandito na yan, sige.
impeachment complaint that you already received.
Obviously, sir, that is not within my.
Yeah, hindi siya yan.
It's not my office, sir.
Hindi, ang tanong lang, so number 1, you're not authorized. Number 2, the office is not authorized. Number 3, sabi mo si Attorney De Jesus was allowed because nandito si Secretary Garfield. Okay, and then ang tinatanong ni Attorney lang is on what basis? Kasi constitutionally the office, not the person.
Yeah, buddy.
So, ang authority na tinatanong ni Congressman Jing, SecGen ba ang may instructions?
No.
Ang
So, ano bang basis
hindi
nyo?
pwede yung ginagawa nyo.
Ano bang basis mo kanya? What is your basis? You
Tell us your basis.
Sandali lang.
Tinatanong namin.
For the record.
Okay,
For the record.
wait, number 1, let's not badger people. I'm not here.
Sorry, if you feel that way. That wasn't meant to.
We don't,
You just answer the question para hindi ka mabadger. If you're
ganito
not
kasi.
answering the question, we demand answers because we are citizens. We are paying your salary.
Ganyan talaga.
We're paying your salary, so you answer us.
For the meantime, I'm making a proper, even if you don't receive, by law we can proper the complaint and all the annexes, and that is legal. If you will not receive, that is deemed legally received by law.
we tendered it
Tender.
to you.
We are proffering and tendering it
Our
in
complaint.
under and by virtue of the Constitution.
Teka. Sandali.
Today is 2:18
Okay, si Attorney-
in the afternoon
si Attorney
of
naman-
22nd
I
January.
acknowledge the time is 2:11.
Yes.
Oh, sige, 2:11. Okay, sige.
Para kalma lang tayo, si Attorney naman is here to explain to us. Attorney, maybe better than
Yes, explain it to us right now.
I will.
Upo muna kayo tayo.
Upo muna tayo.
Kaya sabi ko bakla.
Ako muna tayo.
Para hindi tayo parang tense dito sa
Yeah,
Attorney, please sit down here.
I note your manifestation, sir. I note your manifestation.
But going back, Banyero, to my original question, what is your legal authority in saying that you are not authorized to receive? We want to know. We are
It is
curious.
a statement of fact na I am not authorized.
So you are saying that based on your own conclusion of what the law says, you are not authorized. Is that what you're telling this fellow lawyer?
It's not in the law. It's
Kaya
against the
nga,
law. It's against the law.
is that what you're saying?
Okay lang, sandali ah. So sinasabi na ni Attorney, I'm not authorized. Is there an instruction, Attorney? No, walang
So
instruction
that-
from SecGen, walang instruction from...
Okay, going to my next question.
Okay.
Since there is no instruction, you're saying that you cannot receive the complaint is based on your conclusion of the what the law says.
Wait, sir.
Pakalit naman, sir.
These questions, what are they for?
We want to know because we are citizens. We are paying
And
your
this is a public
salary.
office.
You are a public official.
Okay, one by one.
Under the Constitution, very clear that if there's an impeachment complaint and duly endorsed by
O sige, para maliwanag na I refuse to be covered by any media recording or anything.
Ano, this is public. Wala yan sa ano.
Hindi pwede.
Wala sa amin yung mga- This is a public office.
It's a public office.
Hindi ito private conversation pare ko.
For manifestation's sake,
Okay.
Okay.
I just manifest.
Okay,
I
go ahead.
have not consented to any recording or broadcasting of any conversation here as I don't.
Okay.
Our lawyer and co-complainant, Attorney Perry Papasio, will tender the
Okay.
complaint.
Okay.
Hindi, sandali lang, for the record.
Oo.
We'll tender the complaint
Oo.
in accordance with the Constitution.
I note, I note for the proper. That's
Kanina yun, di ba?
I note.
Inabot ko. Oh.
Yes, sir. I note for the proper. I said no. Para let's go through the motion.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Para at least po.
Okay.
Nonetheless, we are tendering
Attorney,
Okay.
just to be to you, to be candid, syempre, because we understand na hindi ka naman yung authorized, But of course, as a group, we will also take legal steps. That's why may mga ganito na motions. You understand that? So we thank you.
Wala pong sama na loob. If that is what I understand.
So
we
in
thank-
fact, we feel sorry that you have to take the
We
fall
thank
for
you
this
for
video.
receiving us. So maraming salamat. Kung may documents.
Yes.
Establish ko lang. It's 2/11/22 January na tinender namin sa iyo yung aming
Para
verified.
kukumpletin ko na rin po.
Okay.
It was an attempt to
No, it's not an
Tender.
We tendered to you.
We tendered to you.
Para kukumpletin ko na nga.
Galing na sa kanya.
Sige, let
You
him...
were here
To tender.
To tender. I refused.
That's legal.
And you left a copy here in the office. You could actually leave it there. Para okay na po tayo.
Pwede bang ma-receive ba?
Is that satisfactory?
Okay na.
Okay,
Yes, thank you.
This
Thank
is
you.
what I
Thank you.
propose. Di ba office, ito ka pa di ba office hours nyo hanggang alas 5?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, okay. Since wala si Cheloy dito, hihintayin namin na dumating siya ulit.
Yeah, buddy.
Ako, hintayin ko. I'll stay here until 7.
Sama si Cheloy. Tanungin mo ko
We
sa
will wait
Out of the country.
until
Okay.
Kaya,
Anyway, thank you for that. Alam mo naman na.
where is the SecGen? Where is the SecGen?
Asan ang section? For the
Saan ang
record.
SecGen? Sandali. Where's the SecGen?
For the record.
Taiwan. And in her absence, who is the acting SecGen? Sandali. For the
Gusto ko lang
record.
linawin ko sa
Who is?
Isa-isa lang.
It's you. It's you.
there is no acting secretary.
Siya ang ano.
Who's the second in
But you
command?
are
Ikaw.
second in command.
In this office, I am the executive.
Nonetheless, we are tendering and proffering our original complaint and the annexes for and under and by virtue of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines.
Kaya kanina ko pa sinasabi, baka meron kayong binabiolate na civil service regulation. Kasi you're supposed to be, pagka wala dito yung
Automatic.
yung
Yeah.
May officer in charge.
merong papalit, merong susunod.
Automatic.
Secondly, Panyero.
Wala.
Secondly, Panyero.
Bakit si Garaping? Nagano na naman, pumunta ng Taiwan.
Hindi, kung wala siya, the office is here.
Okay. We have already, di ba? We've established yung, already. Given it, si attorney naman was kind enough to state yung legal basis. So, okay na tayo. Ha?
Hindi, gusto ko lang tanong pa kay
Ay, kasi dito si attorney, ha?
Ano,
Governor Chavit.
Sir, iikot ako.
Okay, Governor Chavit.
Ako iikot because
Isa-isa para ano. Si Admiral Carlos. Governor Chavit. Okay, si Secretary Menes Peron. Attorney Topacio. Hindi ikaw. Yung mas gwapo. Cathy Binag. And former Congressman G.
no
Pana.
introduction necessary.
Of course, Attorney Manny Luna,
I'm the
Attorney
first
General
complainant for the
Garcia,
Commissioner, Presidential Anti-Corruption
Pero,
Commission.
and, Attorney D. Harold Respicio, Vice Mayor.
Complainant as well, sir.
Thank you, Attorney.
pero, Congressman Mike, di ba mayroong executive order that since there is a one China policy, restricted ang travel ng public officials natin to Taiwan?
Ibang topic na yan.
Hindi, kaya nga, hindi.
For the record.
For the record. So, because, hindi, kaya naging relevant yun because the reason for the absence of the Secretary General is that she traveled to Taiwan. And under the One China policy, restricted government officials, even on private visits, restricted to Taiwan
Meron
under the
naman
One
yun.
China policy.
Ibang
May exceptions, of course, but tingnan natin.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay lang. We understand, of course.
So ano na ngayon?
And see you. You don't walk na rin yun.
Okay.
Ano na nangyari?
Yun nga. Anyway, binigyan naman ni Attorney yung...
Tender naman tayo, that's enough. That's the legal requirement.
Tira, manong? Let's go.
Iwan naman natin yan. Ay, Kong.
That's the legal
No personal.
Attorney, any quick statements, sir? 5K nanonood sa live ngayon?
Consented to be recorded.
Alright. Kung Mike, for the 5,000 watching live, anong statement natin?
Well, una sa lahat, si Attorney was kind enough to come here and sabihin niya na hindi niya kayang tanggapin. So, itong opisina nito kasi hindi naman tao eh, but na office. Sa saligang batas, kailangan tanggapin talaga. And ito ipapakita lang na talagang yung na ako ng impeachment ay kalokohan at gusto nilang babuyin ang ating proseso ng saligang batas sa impeachment. Ito lang ang pagkakataon ng tao magreklamo, hindi ba pinayagan?
Attorney Topacio, any statement?
Yes.
Any statement, sir? Sa
I second I give my full assent to the statement of Congressman Mike Defensor na talagang sinisigil yung karapatan ng mga taong bayan na sila ay magreklamo.
Congressman Paras, ano pang statement natin sa kanilang pag-refuse ng ating complaint?
Well, unang-una, wala daw yung SecGen. Nasa Taiwan daw. Unang-una, yung SecGen, she's violating the One China policy. Kasi dati siya doon na head ng NECO. What's her business there? When she's supposed to work here to receive our complaint. So, dapat matanggal yan si Garapel. Tawag ko nga dyan, Garapal eh.